Alright, let's learn a little about pyramids. We know food chain. We know that supposedly if the grass is being eaten up by an insect and then a frog and finally a bird. So there are four tropic levels. First, second, third and the fourth tropic level. We have to design them in a diagrammatic manner. So what we do is we arrange them in pyramid form. What is this? The producer level. And the producer is grass. Always occupies the lowermost level since it is more in number. Then insect. Insects are feeding onto this producer on this grass. Automatically the third level, frog, which is consuming the insect, and birds which are acting upon the producer level. So this is an upright pyramid. Okay, upright pyramid in terms of number and in terms of energy. Why do we say upright pyramid? If we say that in this food chain there is 10,000 joules of energy which is at the grass level, applying the 10% law, which means only 10% of the energy available at the previous level will be transferred to the next level, then 1000 joules of energy is available at the insect level. So on 10% law, 10 joules and 1 joule. What is the level of energy which is reaching here? It is decreasing. Same way is the number. If there are 100 grass sticks which are eaten up by the insects, supposingly these are 20 in number, consumed by 5 frogs, and ultimately eaten up by a bird, maybe 2 birds, right? So what happens to the number? 100 to 20 to 5 to 2. So if we design it in a food chain, this in a pyramid manner, it is going to be upright. Same way the energy pyramid is also upright. 10 joules and 1 joule. We know certain basic things, that the pyramids in this entire food chain, the number and the levels of pyramids are restricted, cannot be beyond 4 or 5, because there is not surplus amount of energy which is available at the last level. Alright. Now moving to that, what is the effect of man in this ecosystem? Man's effect is automatically not at all good. When we talk about this effect, we say man's activities like hunting, it will disrupt the food chain, and which will automatically, shortening of this food chain due to man's activities will bring an imbalance. Imbalance in the functioning of the ecosystem, ultimately the whole biosphere. So, a small food chain and the effect of man's interference in this food chain. If a man starts hunting, and let's say all the lions are removed by hunting, by killing or by capturing, and there is no predator, what will happen to this deer population? Automatically it will increase to such an extent that deer will eat grass. So deer population will lead to excessive grazing of grass or other green plants, completely convert the lush green area to a desert area. This is how a simple imbalance in the food chain where only one predator is attacked, it will disrupt the food chain. It will disturb the whole ecosystem. Okay, this is how there is an imbalance which got created because of man's activities in a food chain.